Can I get Binge on Sony Smart TV? Yes, you can get Binge on a Sony Smart TV, but the availability depends on your TV model and operating system. Binge, an Australian streaming service, is supported on Sony Smart TVs running Android TV or Google TV. If your Sony TV does not have the Binge app, you can still stream it using casting, AirPlay, or external streaming devices. 1. How to download and install Binge on Sony Smart TV. If your Sony TV runs on Android TV or Google TV, follow these steps. Press the Home button on your Sony TV remote. Open the Google Play Store from the Home menu. Use the search bar to type Binge. Select the Binge app and click Install. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Binge account. 2. How to watch Binge without the app. If your Sony Smart TV does not support Binge, you can still watch it using these methods. Method 1. Chromecast, for Android and iOS users. Make sure your Sony Smart TV has built-in Chromecast or connect a Chromecast device via HDMI. Download the Binge app on your smartphone or tablet. Ensure your TV and mobile device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the Binge app, tap the cast icon, and select your Sony TV. The content will start playing on your TV. Method 2. AirPlay, for Apple users on compatible Sony TVs. If your Sony TV supports AirPlay, enable it in Settings, AirPlay, and HomeKit. On your iPhone or iPad, open the Binge app. Tap the AirPlay icon and select your Sony TV. Your Binge content will stream on your TV. Method 3. Using an external streaming device. If your Sony TV does not support Binge, you can use a streaming device such as Apple TV. Download the Binge app from the App Store. Google Chromecast. Cast Binge from your phone to your Sony TV. Amazon Fire Stick. Install Binge from the Amazon App Store. Roku device. Add the Binge app and stream directly. Method 4. HDMI connection. Using a laptop or smartphone. Connect your laptop or phone to the TV using an HDMI cable and adapter, if needed. Open Binge in a web browser or on the mobile app. Play your content and it will appear on the TV screen. 3. Troubleshooting Binge on Sony Smart TV. If Binge is not working on your Sony TV, try these solutions. Update your TV software. Go to Settings, then System, then Software Update and install any available updates. Check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable for smooth streaming. Restart your TV and router. Power cycle your devices if the app is buffering or not loading. Reinstall the Binge app. Delete and reinstall Binge from the Play Store. Use a different streaming method. If the app isn't available, try casting or using a streaming device. Most Sony Smart TVs running Android TV or Google TV support the Binge app, but if your model does not, you can still watch it using casting, AirPlay, an external streaming device, or an HDMI connection.